guys, HSF Productions coming to you from Royal Oak, Michigan today. Today we are finally back in Royal Oak. It's been so long and I'm so excited to post this video. Now let's go ahead and get started. Our first train of the day would be Canadian National Train Q116 heading south on track 1 into Moterm. Something cool about 116 today was this container right here. I don't know how common these containers are, but I thought it was pretty cool. Something else that was pretty interesting was I almost missed this train. I left my house about 30 minutes before this train got to the station. I got here about 2 minutes before the train did. Very close. As the bottom of 116 passes, I remember a question I got a little while ago. Why is there a flashing red light on the end of some trains? Well, here's why. The flashing red light on the back of the trains is actually called a FRED, otherwise known as flashing rear end device. It is used to monitor brake pressure and make sure other trains in the dark can see the bottom end of the train that the FRED is on. As I finish up talking about the FRED, we would begin to hear a K5 LLA off in the distance. This would turn out to be the only locomotive today of Canadian National Train E251, thundering through Royal Oak on track 2. CNE 251 continues on its way to Homewood, Illinois, I would notice something pretty interesting about this train. There was only one locomotive in the lead. It's pretty common to see 2 or 3 locomotives, but one locomotive on normal road trains is not actually that common. As the final auto rack of 251 passed, we would begin waiting for the next 2.5 hours. We would be waiting for Amtrak train number 355, the Wolverine from Pontiac to Chicago, Illinois. In a few seconds here, as 355 gets ready to depart Royal Oak, you will be able to hear the locomotive powering up. This is pretty cool sound. I don't know what it was coming from. It could have been the prime mover, but I'm not sure. If you know what this sound is, please let me know in the comments. We would also get a little bit of horn show. Around 2 hours after I left the train station, I would go out for a ride in our car, but we would end up seeing CN train L508 on the west side of the Raven control point. And as L508 continues to pass, this is just about gonna wrap it up for today's video. thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you especially to my grandpa who I went cruising with on Woodward. We also got dinner together, and I very much appreciate that. Thank you, Grandpa.